Hi friends, welcome back to SGK English for a new video. Today let us study a new topic, that is invitations and replies. How to send an invitation, how to reply to an invitation, or how to design an invitation. That is the topic we discuss today. Before coming into the lesson, I request you all to subscribe, share and enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Okay, thank you. Come to the lesson directly. Invitations and replies. So invitations are of two types. There are two types of invitations. They are formal invitations and informal invitations. Invitations are of two types. They are formal invitations and informal invitations. Today let us study formal invitations. Informal we will study in another video. Okay, so formal invitations are of two types. They are card form or letter form. Formal invitations are of two types. They are card form and a letter form, which means invitation can be designed in the form of an invitation card or in the form of a letter. So how to write or design an invitation card? So imagine you are a student. Say full note given here. You are a student of Aditya, junior college or Aditya high school, and the annual day function, the annual day celebration is going to be held on December 5th, 2021. So design an invitation card to be sent to parents and invitees. That is a question. You are a student or you are a student secretary. It can be any. According to question paper, you have to understand it. So you are a student of Aditya Group of Institutions, and annual day function is going to be held on December 5th, 2021. Design an invitation card to be sent to parents as well as invitees. How will you design the invitation card? You see, on top you must write the name of the host. Guest and host, you know. So when you are conducting, all the participants and responsible people of your school, they are the host, including yourself. Okay, now? So the principal, staff and students, the host. The name of the host should be on top, host. Then name of the institute, Aditya Junior College, Aditya Group of Institutions, Aditya High School, or any other institute, no problem. According to the question, we can arrange it. Then, occasion. Request the pleasure of your company. Request your company. The pleasure is a formal way of inviting. On the occasion of, you can add with the family also. Generally sent to parents. Okay, with the family also you can add. Your company with family. On the occasion of the annual day function, annual day celebration. It is meant for, parents and other invitees. Okay, occasion of the annual day function on 5th December 2021. The date, see next item is date, time and venue. 5th December 2021 at 6 p.m. Yes, it will start at 6 p.m. Generally it is evening, it is going to be held in the college auditorium. Of course, it will be in the college auditorium. It can be in some other place also. Venue can be different, not necessarily in the school or college. And the Honorable Education Minister, AP, Andhra Pradesh, Sri so and so. You need not mention the real name of the Education Minister. You can take an imaginary name. Okay, has consented means agreed. He has agreed to be the chief guest. So he has agreed The education minister has agreed to be chief guest to give away the prizes. So you can mention if you want somebody else to inaugurate someone to give the prizes. Okay, the inauguration will be conducted by so and so, even the chairman, and the chief guest will be done by will be education minister, not necessarily education minister, somebody MLA also, VIP of the locality. Okay, to give away the prizes. So there should be some space after that. Here is some space, that is why his space is not kept here. Okay, by Principal Aditya, Junior College Kakinada. KKD stands for Kakinada. Yes. So the last, please do not carry mobiles into the auditorium. See, what is that? Or we will see. Chief guest we have seen. Then what is that? Contact details. If there is a need for contact details to be given, which means sometimes it will be held not in college or school auditorium. It will be some auditorium other than maybe a little far away in the city, main city, so that all people can come. It will be, more convenient and it can accommodate more people also. So we may select another place. Then you have to mention contact details here. Before that, RSVP. It is a French word which means répondez s'il voice plate. The French words there are. Don't worry, the meaning of it is please reply. So instead of writing please reply, you can write is RSVP. And not necessary that you can write please reply. After that, you can mention the contact details if it is necessary. Then write the principal Aditya group of institutions. Then special instructions. Sometimes there will be special instructions for all the people not to bring mobiles to the auditorium. Sometimes children will be instructed to come in uniform or not to come in uniform. That is to be decided by the school management. Okay, all students should come in uniform. Students are permitted to come in uniform. It will be okay. Some instruction may be there. See, if anything is there, you can mention at the bottom instructions. So see the format once again. On top, the name of the host, then the name of the institute, then occasion, then date, time and venue, then chief guest, name of the chief guest, then contact details, special instructions. So this is the format of a letter of, invitation card, not a letter of invitation, invitation card to be sent to parents and invitees, special invitees. Go through it once again. The principal, staff and students of Aditya Junior College, Kakinada request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the annual day function, on 5th December 2021 at 6 p.m. in the college auditorium. And Honorable Education Minister AP Sri so and so, name can be mentioned here, has consented to be the chief guest to give away the prizes. Principal Aditya Junior College Kakinada. Here you can mention RSVP, which means please reply. Here please do not carry mobiles into the auditorium as a special instruction. That is one method of designing an invitation card. Should be in a box column. After writing all these things, good to keep 2 lines. Keep it in a box column. So that is one method of writing an invitation or designing an invitation card. I hope it is clear to you. Let us see another type of an invitation card. See, you are son of Vikram Singh, Kakinada. Your sister is getting married. Imagine you are son of Mr. Vikram Singh and your sister is getting married. Draft a formal invitation on his behalf, on behalf of your father, to be sent to the invitees, whoever is to be invited. So you have to draft an invitation card on behalf of your father. Okay, I repeat once again. You are son of Vikram Singh, Kakinada. and your sister is getting married, draft a formal invitation on his behalf, to be sent to the invitees. How will you draft an invitation card on behalf of your father to be sent to the invitees? I mean, on the occasion of the marriage of your sister. See the format, the style, the method. Mr. and Mrs. Vikram Singh solicit your gracious presence. Solicit means request. We request, see, third person should be written, not in first person. Solicit means request your gracious presence on the occasion, wedding of their daughter Suma with Suresh. See, alignment of the page. Wedding in capital letters, Suma and Suresh capital letters, name of bride and bridegroom. Who is Suresh? Son of Mr. and Mrs. Rahul Singh. Okay. At their residence, door number, place KK Nagar, Kakinada. Door number KK Nagar, Kakinada. Easy to say now. KK Nagar, Kakinada. See, please reply. By Singh family. And best compliments from near and dear. Sometimes you can put your name there, not only yours, but how many sisters and brothers the girl has got. Their names also all can be written here, line by line. There they would sign and they can give to their friends. This here, it will be signed by your father or mother. Then it will be given to the invitees. Here, when you are giving to your friends the invitation card, you can sign here, near and dear. Or you can even mention your name, not only yours. You have some other brothers and all. Their names also can be written. You see? And they will sign there and give to their friends. So generally, near and dear enough, you just keep a sign and give to your friends. Here it will be signed by, when they invite their, chief guest, not chief guest, sorry, invitees. Okay, they are the chief guests. Bride and bridegroom. Okay, chief guest comes in the previous we have just seen. Yes. So this is a method of invitation card, marriage invitation card. Yes, once again see that Mr. and Mrs. Vikram Singh solicit your gracious presence, okay, on the occasion of wedding of their daughter Suma with Suresh, a son of Mr. and Mrs. Rahul Singh, at their residence address. Okay, Singh family, best compliments from near and dear or friends and relatives. That also can be generally near and dear. Okay, or dear and near. In both ways it can be kept. Okay, so once again see that you are son of Vikram Singh and your sister is getting married. Draft a formal invitation on his behalf to be sent to the invitees. So we have seen two types of invitation cards to be designed to be sent to the invitees. Yes, that's all in this lesson. I hope it is clear to you. Meet you with another video. Goodbye.